Purify, Unveiled. Delving into the essence of the word. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into the word, purify. Ever heard of it and wondered what it truly means? Stick around and by the end of this video, you'll be using purify like a pro. Purify originates from the Latin word purificare, which means to make pure. At its core, to purify something means to remove impurities or contaminants from it. This action is aimed at making something clean or pure. 1. Physical cleaning, often used in a tangible, materialistic sense. Like purifying water means removing all harmful substances to make it safe for consumption. 2. Spiritual or moral cleaning. This is more abstract. For instance, someone might say they're going on a retreat to purify their soul, meaning they're seeking spiritual cleansing or moral clarity. 3. Scientific usage. In science, especially chemistry, purify indicates the removal of impurities from a substance. For example, purifying a metal means extracting all non-metallic impurities. Understanding a word is great, but knowing how to use it in sentences is even better. Here are some examples. The new water filter can purify 10 gallons of water in an hour. The priest conducted a ceremony to purify the temple. The chemist is working on a method to purify the rare compound. Purify is a versatile word, encapsulating the essence of making something pure, be it physically, morally, or scientifically. We hope this video has illuminated the word for you. Go ahead, sprinkle your conversations with your newfound knowledge. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.